Hello DSPs. In this video, we will see how to add new resource or how to add the new drone into the BhuMeet DSP application. For that purpose, into the mobile screen, you can see the BhuMeet DSP application. Click on that app. You can see the dashboard. In the last video, we have seen how to add the location into the BhuMeet DSP application. After that, we can add the resources. That's why we are going to add a new drone or to the particular location. So for that purpose, you can see the various models over here. First of all, we need to add the drone model for that particular drone. After that, we will add the new drone into that drone model. So first of all, we need to add the drone model. Click on that drone model module. You can see the already added drone models over here. New model can be added by clicking on the top right corner, the add link or the add button. Click on that button. You can provide the model name. Just for example, Agro Sky is the name of the drone model. Then manufacturer, suppose we are purchasing this drone model from Daksha Unmanned System. Then provide the type of the drone, hexacopter. Provide the battery capacity, for example 25,000 mAh battery I am having for this drone. Endurance of this drone, for example 20 minutes. So this drone can fly for 20 minutes into the airspace. Then you can provide the tank capacity. For example, we are having the drone with 10 liter tank capacity. Is the drone certified? Yes, the drone is certified. We can add the model. Model has been added successfully. Okay, here you can see the latest added drone, Agro Sky. Now, next step is to add the new drone under this model. So, go to this model, drones, click on this module. Two drones has been already added. To add a new drone, click on the add button at the top right corner. You have already added the drone models Agri Shakti, Kisan Dost and Agro Sky. Suppose we want to add the new drone under Agro Sky model. Click that model. Then other details will appear like manufacturer, type of the drone, service type, battery capacity, endurance, tank capacity and whether it is certified or not. Provide the name of this drone. Just for example, green drone is the name of your drone. Then you can provide the location. We have already added various locations into the dashboard. You can provide the particular location. Suppose Aradao is the location where we want to deploy this drone. Select that location. Provide the ID of the drone. For example, this is the ID. Then click on add drone. The drone has been added successfully. This is how we have successfully added drone model as well as the new drone at the particular location.